Hello, welcome to Hindustan Times Digital. My name is Aditya and today we are going to look at the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 tablet, which comes with a 10-inch display with octa-core processor and a large display battery to support your work from home needs as well as education purposes as well. So let's unbox the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7. As you can see, this tablet has a white color box and it does talk about a lot of features that this tablet has. It comes with a travel adapter and a cable as well. And apart from that, the branding over here with Samsung Tab A7 written and the tablet's visual also given on the box. And so yeah, let's see what's inside the box now. And as you can see, the box is neatly wrapped and the tablet is also neatly wrapped inside this textured packet, I would say. And this is the tablet, the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7. It's got a 10-inch display, as we've already said. Apart from this, you have this quick startup guide that is there, basically telling you how to start the tablet, how to use the tablet. You have the warranty card, which is also in white color. And then you have the SIM ejector pin because it supports SIM slots, so you can actually enhance connectivity for the tablet just in case you don't have a Wi-Fi support. So this is the wide USB adapter that you get with this tablet. As you can see over here, this says the Samsung branding right at the top, and you have this USB port which lets you connect the cable, which is allowed for data transfer and charger. The bundled cable along with this tablet is USB Type-C, and it's also white in color and neatly wrapped inside this case. And you can use this to charge this tablet as well as use it for data transfer as well. In terms of the design of the tablet, it's got a nice touch and feel to it, and as you can see, the 10-inch display, it's quite big and it's quite comfortable to use. The overall build materials also feels quite nice. It's got a rear camera at the back and the power buttons are at the top, and the USB slot is also at the bottom of the screen where you have the bottom facing speakers. So the box of the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 has all the essentials that you need to get started using this tablet, including the startup guide and the warranty card, which you need because if you have any issues, then this is what is going to be your savior. Apart from that, you have the micro USB cable and the SIM ejector pin, which lets you add connectivity like 4G and 3G support to the tablet. For more videos, check out hindustantimes.com.